Hello, guys. As an entrepreneur that is looking for high profit or a way of maximizing profit, I have here with me about 11 high yield, cheap machine that can guarantee you 85% return on your investment. So, as an entrepreneur, for you to maximize your profit without breaking the bank or doing something funny or silly in Nigeria or across the world, this 11 tip that I'm going to give to you will provide you high returns that can make you generate high profit. So, guys, without no further ado, number one on the list has to do with electric yam pounder machine. First and foremost, if you have electric uh, powder machine, the machine is perfect for small scale food business and other, even for home use. For people that want to pound yam without passing through the stress of have to use mortar to pound yam, with this electric machine, all you just need to do is to plug your machine, peel the yam to a particular size, and put them inside the bowl. Before you know it, the machine will give you a perfect touch that will give you a delicious meal for that day. So, guys, and this machine we are talking about is fall within the range of 400 to 500 US dollar. So, guys, just have a thought about this particular machine. Then number two on the list has to do with printing machine. You know, these days there are smaller machine that can do a lot of work even in your home. You don't even need to go and look for a big place you that you will install this all these printing machine. Like for people that doing design in their shirts, all you just need to do, maybe tell one or two friends that you have a machine that can do a design, logo design in their shirts. And with this machine, you can imprint a logo in a customer shirt. And this machine is like a game changer in this current entrepreneurial world, mostly for fashion designers and promotional product for industries, you see. And this machine that we are talking about, you can get it for between 600 to $800. And these things you can get in Alibaba, Temu, Konga, and so on and so forth. The third on the list has to do with a oil press a machine. And this machine is perfect for small scale oil production, and it's and for you, maybe, these days you can derive oil from many things that has to do with maybe palm oil. You can derive it, even granite. You can derive oil from it. Even there are many things that you can derive oil from. So instead of you to go through all those hustle of big machinery to get your oil, with this small uh, pressing a machine, before you know it, you have gotten your oil. And for this kind of machine, you can get it between 900 to $1,000. You see, so that is that on this machine. So number four on the list has to do with soap making machine. You know, uh, as an entrepreneur or somebody that is looking for a business that can give you high yield or high return. At least if you buy this small portable machine in your home, you'll be making money out of it. And Before you know it, you're already good to go. This machine is ideal for small scale soap makers or entrepreneur in the cosmetic industries. And it's available for as low as $600 to maybe $700. So it depends on you as an individual. So guys, just have a look, and the rest will become a history. You know. Then number five, number five on the list has to do with ice block machine making a machine. You know, these days when there is no light, if you have a small portable ice block machine making machine in your home, you'll be selling ice block to people that have need for it. And Nigeria be what it is, ice block is a major part. To make your drink cold is a major challenge. So if you have a machine that can produce ice block, you see that customer will be looking for you here and there. And it's usually good for small scale area or business in the food and beverages industry. So by the time you use this era of WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, in fact, all social media network, make use of them. Before you know it, customer will be coming. And this machine, you can get it for between 1,000 to $1,200. You see, it depends on your level of research, and you can get it at a cheaper rate. Then the next one on the list has to do with uh, peanut butter machine, peanut butter making machine. That's the next one on the list. You know, uh, these days, this machine is ideal for small scale food processors or entrepreneur in the snack food industry, and it's available for just $900 to $1,000. You see, like people like getting a peanut for for themselves. And if you have this processing machine, before you know it, customers will be coming around because of the machine that you have, and you'll be cashing out, making your money at a very cheap and affordable rate. Then number seven on the list has to do with mini water purifier. The machine is perfect for equally small scale water purification business or community. If you have this machine can purify your water. It's more or less like this water dispenser we're talking about in every home. You can get your normal water, then put it in a water dispenser, or there is another purifier. There is another machine they call purifier. Can remove all those dirty germs and all those bacteria that can usually found in our waters. So, and this machine, if you took time to go through research, maybe through Temu, Alibaba, Konga, even this America, this thing, the name is there. I'm almost forgetting the name. You can get it for like 1,000 to $1,005, and you'll be making a lot of money. By the time you spend this kind of money on this machine, this mini water purifier, you see you'll be making a lot of money because people are looking for a way of getting healthy on daily basis. So just give it a try. Then number eight on the list has to do with a honey processing machine. You know, this, as the name implies, honey, bees. So if you have a machine that can be able to process honey for you, and these days people are running away from our normal sugar that are sugar in cube. Instead, they are using honey these days. They are going for natural uh, something that can make their tea look okay, or even soaking of garri and all those kind of things. So, and this kind of machine is good for small scale beekeepers or entrepreneurs in the food industry. and you can get it for maybe just like 1,000, 1,001 dollar. So the guys, just give it a try, and the rest is history. You see. So guys, number 10 or number 9 on the list has to do with a candle making machine. You know, as somebody that is looking for high yield profit machine or high yield profit, this machine is like a game changer. You know, it's a game changer in the sense that it is perfect for small scale candle makers or entrepreneurs in the home decor industry. So if you are into a home decor with this candle making machine, you are good to go. You know, people that make candles, they tend to go for different varieties of candle, maybe different perfume candles and what have you. People tend to go for a lot of candles, different, maybe different colors, maybe white color, red, green, blue, and all those things. And candle is such in a great demand all over this country. You see, so if you can get this small machine, maybe for like $800, you make a lot of money. At least 85% return on your investment is sure. Within a short period of time, you are making your money, and the machine will just be producing your candle for you. So, guys, just give it a thought. Then the number 10 of the list has to do with a fish, mini fish smoking machine. As the name implies, this machine is ideal for small scale fish processor or entrepreneur in the food industry. And for people who are in the food industry, you know, for your fish not to get spoiled, you need this machine. You see, to preserve your fish by smoking them. You know, there are two ways of preserving. Whether you put it in the fridge or you put it in or you smoke it, so that your fish cannot get spoiled. And these days, I even remember there is this gas table this thing that I bought the other time. At least most of the time, my wife normally use it to smoke our fish anytime she buy fish from the market. And if I am to be doing it as a business, smoking of fish, which is just look like a small thing because I'm not going to spend much, but it will help me to preserve our meat or fish, just like the way you normally have it, like suyas and all those things, maybe in the party and so on and so forth. So, guys, just give it a trial. And finally, on the list, has to do with small package sealing machine. You know, these days there are many small businesses that are into packaging. You know, so if you can get this kind of small packaging machine. Maybe you can get maybe Gary, for instance. I remember these days they normally package Gary in a sachet paper and put it in all these our grocery shops across the country. Maybe you go to ShopRite, you see where they they seal Gary in a pack. Then there are other things, pepper, and just name it, tomatoes. They are all sealed in a particular pack. And this kind of a machine, they are good in a small scale business, especially in the e-commerce, food and pharmaceutical industries. And you can get it for as low as $400. It depends on what you are looking at. So, guys, just give it a trial, and the rest will be history. So, guys, at least with these little tips that I've given to you concerning 11 cheap, high-value machine that can guarantee an impressive 85% return on investment. Remember, these machines are perfect for small-scale business and entrepreneurs looking to increase their profit without breaking the bank. So, guys, I believe this video has resonated some value to you. And if you like my video, give my videos a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Frederick Kubiri is my name. And always give our videos a like so that YouTube will promote our videos. And always remember to share our video to other people. So guys, I believe you have learned a lot from this 11 tips that I've given to you. And from all indication, this price list that I gave to you, they are just an approximation. If you do more research, you can even get it very cheaper from the market. It depends on who the supplier is, location, and other factors. So, guys, just give it a thought, and the rest will become a history. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.